Hello, my name is Dr. Mohan Ramchandani, and I am a gastroenterologist, presently working as Director of Interventional Endoscopy at Asian Institute of Gastroenterology, Hyderabad, India. AIG is well-known tertiary care center in India and abroad, and it's a teaching hospital where we have fellows coming for advanced gastroenterology training also. The human digestive system is a very important system in our body, and it has been uh, the area of interest since years together. Even Hippocrates also 2005 years ago told the all diseases begun in the gut, and now with the modern gadgets available and the modern medicine has also told us that the many diseases are controlled by our gut microbiota, and in fact gut microbiota is the number of bacteria are even more than what our cells are. So that's a fascinating system where we can have the gut microbiota uh, playing a major role in our hemostasis of our body, and a lot of diseases are now being implicated on the gut microbiota. So this fascinates me uh, uh, a lot, and I feel future lies in gut microbiota as far as understanding of many diseases, including the neurological, cardiology diseases, also based on the composition of our gut microbiota. What I feel in GI endoscopy, especially, is early diagnosis of GI malignancy, especially in third world countries, where uh, if you diagnose the cancer early, that is the only way where we can cure this dreadful disease. So early diagnosis of GI malignancy is going to be a very, very important aspect. Already has been proven in countries like Japan. Artificial intelligence is one which we are looking forward. How will we interact with that and take a good use of artificial intelligence, including in the diagnosis, and data is coming up for polyp detections, detection of bleed, management of huge data. So these aspects, I think, are very, very important in future as far as gastroenterology practice is concerned. Thank you for watching, and see you at the UEG Week Virtual 2020, which will be held from 11th to 13th October. And I invite you to join me for my talk, which I will be presenting our paper on endotherapy of chronic pancreatitis related benign biliary strictures, uh, whether to treat with plastic stents or metal stent, and randomized controlled trial. We'll be discussing about the results. So I sincerely request you to kindly join us, and we'll have a very, very good academic feast. Thank you very much.